My people, welcome back to my channel. I said, let me try this trend that everybody is just doing. This one with gele, the other one with gele. Yeah. Let me still try my own. I will not be the only different person, my people. Today, I said, let me try it with this new gele. I didn't find old one. I said, okay, let me try this one. The gele is very strong, my people. It's very strong. So I will now make the plate to I will make about 3 or 4 plates. It's four. I will now make 4 plates like this. I will now take it to the back and tie it at the back. I'll cross it to I'll cross the left to the right and will cross the right to the left like this. You see this thing is very strong, the gele is strong. So I will now take it to the front. Then I will now start twisting. I will twist one side, twist one side. I will carry the other side and twist it also. Then I will now cross it at the front and tie it like this. Tie it strong. I will draw it well. After drawing it, I will now start arranging this place. I will open this feather. Then I will now shook it inside that corner. I will shook it inside. After shooking it inside the corner, I will wait. I will go to the other side and also shook the other side inside the corner. I will come back later to pin it so that it will not fall off. But I will not tie this center together. The two feather up. I will not tie it together so that they will not fly away. I will not tie it together. After I have tied it, I will not start arranging this place. As you can see now, I will not arrange here. After arranging here, I will now use pin to cover that hole inside. You see that hole? I will now use pin to cover it up. I have covered the hole. Now I will now start arranging. I will now start pinning that place I told you I want to pin before. I will now pin this side first before I will now go to the other side and pin the other side so that they will not scatter. You understand? I will pin the other side and I will now start arranging this front here. Arrange it well. Arrange it to the taste I want. You can arrange yours also to the taste you want. Is it not fine? It is beautiful now, Abby. I tried now. It's not easy, my people. Oh yeah, I will now pin here also so that here will not scatter. You can see it now. It's almost ready. You can also arrange if you want. Some people will make ruffle, but I want to leave my own like that. Is it not fine like this now? So my people, this is how I managed to tie it to. Is it not fine? I can take this to church. I can take it to party. Abi, my people.